Hello everyone. So in this video we will going to cover up the teams and group. So teams or group is basically the feature of when you are putting the creating a group for your organization. So you can send a valuable notification, or we can say that you can send a valuable mail, valuable information with your team members at a single time. So you can create a group. It's similar like if you are creating a WhatsApp group and putting some data on it and sharing the data on it, they will automatically notify the group members. Same as like this. So in the active teams and group, so in the teams, why it is showing the teams in the group section, so you also create a teams group also from here. Okay, so the option is teams and Microsoft 365 group. Like if you are if you want to create a particular team for your channel, so you can create a team from here. Okay, so most of the time if you are creating a channel, you have the option to create a teams from there. But sometime if some of the organization wants that nobody will create their own channel or own team, so they restrict this option. So admin have the access that admin can create custom teams, and these this custom team can be a connect with the particular channel. Okay, so for example, if I am putting the group name teams, okay, and here is the description. You can put, you can use it. I'm just skipping this. Who is the owner of this group? Okay, or owner is this owner of this teams. So I am just putting my mail ID here. Okay, I am the group of the member, and I want to add the member of this particular group. Okay, next, now it's asking about the team's address. Why? Because once I'm creating a teams, I am automatically create a email id of the teams. Like you can use the teams on the channel as well as for the mailing purpose. Okay, so I am also putting the name, the similar name, team at the rate estpl dot in. And what you want, the privacy of the group, you can use public, you can use private. I want to use private this group. Now you can get the description, just click on add teams. Once you have created a you have added the team, it will generate a separate mail for this particular team. So you can easily find out it here. It will take some time to load it. Yeah, you can see I have the group here, the teams group. It will automatically created. Okay, okay, so teams group is created. Now you can see, if I'm checking here, so you can see the multiple options over there in the teams. In the general side, you can change the email address, name of the group. You can also see the, it will automatically create a site of this particular teams. Also you will get the storage limit of the SharePoint site of around 1 TB. 1 TB is the tenant level of the, you can say, the whole tenant storage. But you can edit the storage, and you can assign the particular storage of this particular SharePoint site. You can also manage the team's membership. So membership, you can add the owner, multiple owner here there. You can add the members of the group. Site visitor, you can also mention who can access or visit the site and manage it. You need to add the membership and give the permission of the particular sites and teams. Also you can add these teams in a particular channels. Okay, if it is already is there, but you can create your own custom channels over there. So I am putting the teams okay. And next, and I want that what privacy I want to use this particular group, I'm just putting the standard one, or you can so use the private and create. So once you have create, it will automatically reflect these teams in your Teams application in the channel section. So you can also you can use this channel for sharing the conversation with your colleague. Also you can use this channel for mail sharing or sending a mail at at the same time with the with particular members. Also what you want to you want that outside the organization user can also send the mail on this particular channel mail id. So you the member of this channel or team can automatically notified it. So okay, this is the update of the particular you can say the status of the project. So you can use this option to improve, or you can say the accessibility of the group. So you can use the email outside the organization. You can use these options for teams channels, teams conversation. If you want to allow for the members, allow member to edit their own sent message, or you want to uncheck it, they will not be able to edit it. You can change the privacy of the channels. Okay, so these options that you can use it for enhance or increase the level of the you can say the channel or teams. So here, if you don't want to create a teams, you need to create a Microsoft 365 group. So you what you can do, you can use a simple group, the Microsoft 365 group. So you can add the member, you can add the owner, you can add the settings of every things that you can easily edit. So if somebody wants to send a message, they will send it using this group, and these group member can be automatically notified on their mailbox. Okay, somebody is sending a mail to this group with particular update of the project. Okay, so distribution list is similar as the M365, but why distribution list is there? So basically Microsoft 365 group and distribution group having a different functionality. Like M3 Microsoft 365 groups, if you delete this group, your whole mail will automatically deleted, shared by the user in this group. Okay, but in the distribution list, if you delete this group, so no, your mail will be keep in your own mailbox. Okay, it will never delete it. Okay, so this distribution list that you can use it. Also we have the multiple option that you can use the distribution list. So you are creating a workflow rules, you are creating a some release options. So multiple things in the Microsoft 365 that you can use the distribution list. Also we have the security group. Security group is basically for when you are putting creating some securities on your devices, on your particular compliance settings, or you are putting some defender level of security. So you have to create the security group and pushing the policy on their devices. Okay, so these are the group like you can use as per your convenience. That's all for my end mailbox. So next video we will going to cover up the rest of the things. Thanks for watching my video. Have a good day. Bye bye.